Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and don't know how to enable the buy on the Coinbase app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable buy on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to enable the buy button, tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then tap onto profile and settings. Now here you can find the option of add the payment method. Now tap on it. Now here is the thing. If the payment method is supported on your area, you can simply add your payment method, which can be your bank account, debit card, credit card, or your Apple Pay or your PayPal account. And if it is not supported, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now, if it is supported, you can simply add the payment method and enable the buy on the Coinbase app. And if it is not available, unfortunately, you cannot buy on the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can enable buy on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips